This is Chandra here from Cosmic Bills, Sydney, Australia. In this demonstration, we will show the Cosmic Bills app, which is a scanning application, how we are able to scan so quickly multiple line items, bills, and sync it into accounting system. We are syncing the bills into QuickBooks Premier version 19. We have QuickBooks already on my screen at the bottom, and we start to now log in using, I have already created the username before, and all I just log into it and show you how we are able to scan the bills. So we're logging in. I typed the wrong name here. Start again. Let's see. All right. So the next screen comes in where it asks for you what company data file that you want to connect to. You might have a few data files that you want to connect to, so you want to choose a particular one. And in this moment, it's picked up the one that we've got here, but we still can go and edit and pick up the one that you want. So we'll just say save. It's already picked up what we have on the screen. There is a process of also connecting to a new data file that I will show in a later video. So we save this and take this part to start the application. So now the application is ready to upload bills. So we go here, browse documents and upload. So I've got some PDFs. They are not the best, but this is what I have got, and so we will pick what I have got. There are some bills here. Let's see if I can so we have some bills here which is not relevant to this demo, and you will see in this application that these bills are not being scanned because they are not USA bills, so we'll just ignore them. So what we're doing now, we picked up about 31 bills and now it's scanning, and so it shouldn't take, it will take about, so it's about 12:17 p.m. here in Australian time. It should take about 1 minute or less, even much lesser, to scan these bills line items. You'll see shortly. There you go, the results of it. So the ones that you can see is being ticked, that means they're all ready to go, ready to be posted to QuickBooks Premier. So it's right. Let it finish. I will explain a bit more. So 17 is giving the numbers as it's scanning. 18 out of 31, 19, 20. It's almost getting there. 28, 29, and 31. All right, so what's the result of this is, let's scroll down. As I said, that there are bills here, one cosmic bills 1, cosmic bills 2, the other one Danius Fire Sense. Those bills are not proper bills, and they are not actually American PDF, so it has not been able to pick up. The technology picks up bills by looking at phone numbers and other criteria. So because it's Australian PDF, so I've deliberately put there anyway, so you can see it's not picked up. The ones that are ticked here, they're all good, and you will see that if I go here, the right hand side, we see what things are picked up, and we have a choice to also go and put it to a different chart of accounts. At this moment, we have put it to all to cost of goods sold. So we have few other things here. Quickly, we have an add-on button here, and we are able to add a new supplier on the run if the supplier is not in QuickBooks Premier. And because you'll see that sometimes it has scanned it, we will scan it, but the supplier is not open, so we need to add on the supplier and then able to tick to able to send it to QuickBooks. All right, so we got all that done, and just want to show you we can open the PDF from here, just the actual PDF. Let's open that up and show you what it looks like. This is what the PDF is about. So you'll see here Georgia there, and you'll see that in the right hand side, Georgia of my screen, 470 quantity exactly. So it picks up item by item. It's quite accurate in picking up these items. Actually, this PDF is not a good sample because we almost have the same line items here. All right, so now we're ready to send it to the accounting system. We create the bills. Now we're sending it to Premier, QuickBooks Premier. So it's going and it's posting those bills instantly. There is no human beings involved here at the back end to able to go and configure. It's all done without any human beings involved, and that's it. So it has all the green ones have been posted. Obviously the ones not highlighted, they haven't been posted. So now we're going to let's view some of those bills. What has happened. So okay, there you go. I've got a full view of that bill here and which has been posted to QuickBooks Premier, which is version 19. Right, so there you go. Georgia, X and all that is all there now. Right, let's see if I can get back to where I was. 1 minute. Okay, so if I can get back to my application. There you are. I'm here now. So bring this up and let's go into another one. That's much better. So you'll see actually if I can expand this. So the bills are all posted automatically. Good. So let's get out of this screen now and go back to right. So you'll see that they all got posted very quickly. We have a few more things here to show you how we are able to when we first link this application, the application picks up all the suppliers from the accounting system, and you are able to map all in one go to which account you want to map it to. And we select all, and it gets mapped. We already have done it, so it's no need to do it again. And we are able to also individually go and map each of them to what you want to update to. Also, there is a bit of we show also history here, which you are able to go back here again, and if you want to go and redo, send the bill, scan the bills again, you can do it. Some of these ones are not done, so let's see if I can. We have sometimes the situation happens is that it's not able to scan it. You can go to that section and pick that up and scan it and see what it does. So now here, this is a typical example. So this has been scanned, but you see there is no tick here. The reason for that is the expense account hasn't been mapped. So we pick up in this case here cost of goods sold, and we'll copy that all into all of that in one go. We can individually go and copy into different accounts, and I should be able to all right, okay, this window is not there. We'll just pick up a window for these papers here, and update this window. Okay, so we're ready, and we are now able to create that bill into to QuickBooks, which we have just done. So this was a short video onto how quickly we are able to scan bills. We are heavily focused on multiple line items, and we can scan them in a very short time. In the next video, I'd like to show how quickly we register for this application, and the pricing is there also on my website cosmicbills.com. The application is only for QuickBooks desktop version. We are not doing QBO at this moment. Thank you for your time.